Checking whether an enteral pump is water resistant or not can extend the lifespan of your device. But how can we know if a device is waterproof? As usual, BU1 went out to investigate this.
Well, it doesn't seem to swim.
We are doing absolutely everything in our power to get you all the information.
Good news, girls. Easy Move 6 is splash resistant. Turns out there is an easier way to find out whether a device is splash or waterproof.
You shouldn't have told her.
Every device has an IPXX code.
IP stands for Index Protection.
The first number corresponds to the degree of protection against solid bodies.
The second number corresponds to the degree of protection against liquids. The pump has the number 4, it is therefore protected against splashing water. How about other devices? How can you check if other pumps are water resistant?
Only pumps with an IPXX code ending by 7 or 8 can be immersed in water.
Pumps ending with IPX5 or IPX6 cannot be put under the tap either.
So no need for expensive testing, just check the IPXX on the pump and you know what it can stand.